Different types of mechanical testing are used to determine certain properties of materials. Some tests are the tensile test, the Charpy test, fatigue testing, and hardness testing. A tensile testing machine uses force applied on a specimen with a known cross-sectional area while measuring strain to allow us to determine properties such as yield strength, tensile strength, modulus of elasticity, tensile toughness, and ductility. A Charpy test is a type of impact test. Another type is the IZOD test. These tests involve measuring the amount of energy absorbed by the material on impact. A heavy pendulum starts at a known height and is allowed to swing through an arc and hit, often breaking through the specimen. The peak height it reaches after striking the specimen will be lower than the initial height. The difference between these two values allows us to calculate the impact energy absorbed by the specimen during failure. Using an impact test, we can determine the properties such as ductile and brittle transition temperatures, notch sensitivity, and the relationship of impact energy and stress-strain diagram. During a hardness test, a load is applied with a specific shape tool which leaves a permanent dent in the material. Either the depth for a Rockwell test or the diameter for a Brinell test can be measured to find the hardness of the material. The Brinell hardness test is used often because it's related to tensile strength. Hardness also indicates resistance to wear. Fatigue testing involves repeated loading and unloading of a specimen at stresses less than yield strength in order to determine properties such as endurance limit and fatigue life at a given stress.